So over here you can see that I have an image, and if I were to go around and make some changes to this right here, let's say for example if I were to go around and then crop this out right here, then a certain change is done right here. You can go around and apply some styles to it or filters to it right here. Let me just go around onto effect right here and apply out an effect right here just like this by clicking onto it. So once I do that, what happens is that certain changes are applied onto the image, and as you make changes, each of these steps are being recorded. So if I were to go around and press Ctrl Z, then it goes back one step so that I can continue from that previous step right here. I can go around and apply out new things right here. So I'm just going to go around over here and apply out a filter right here. Let me just go around onto layer and select out the layer right here, and then I'm going to go around onto filter, and let's say I want to apply cutout over here just like this. I'm just going to go around, make some changes over here just like this, like a simplicity right here and so forth, and you can see that that effect has been applied right here. So now if I were to go around onto the more option, then you can see that history is there, and these are all of the things that we have done so far, and all of it are recorded. You can also go around onto the triangular icon right here and access the history from over here just like this, and then close everything out. You can also go to Windows and then access out history from over here. So here you can see that from new file right here till the cutout, all the steps are recorded. So if I were to go around and press Ctrl Z, all it does is that it goes back one step right here. And if I were to go around and then go to cutout right here, then it reapplies it. Or you can go around onto edit and then redo this as well, or press Ctrl Y to get this. But if I were to go around over here and then from this section, if I were to apply out another effect right here, let me just go around first onto layers and then select out the layer for the effect to be applied. So if I were to go around onto filters and apply this, then you can see that the further thing right here, it has been changed to paint dubs right here, and it is not the other effect anymore. So you cannot redo that. But here you can see that you can still go around onto certain parts of the edit step right here just by clicking on it right here. And that is what history is all about, everything that you do right here. So let's say if I were to go around and bring in a graphics, then there you go, a graphics has been added in right here. You can go around over here onto shapes right here just like this, and then apply the style, and that is applied right here. You can go around and you can move this, and all of the steps that you are doing is recorded, as you can see, and you can go around onto any step as you want right here just by clicking over here. And that is what the history is useful for. So that is how you can use the history inside of Adobe Photoshop Elements. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.